Provides tight fit to the wheels. Transmits power without slipping. Made of high-quality material. Increases product reliability and enhances performance. Easy maintenance. Timken axle bearing and hub assemblies are designed to support the vehicle's weight. These bearings are lubricated, sealed and complete with hub assembly. They provide tight fit to the wheels and transmit power without slipping. These hub assemblies are maintenance-free, easy to install and increase product reliability while enhancing performance. Top reviews from the United States. 25,000 miles and still going strong. I wanted quality for my XJ. Drove 8,000 miles to the Arctic Ocean from Utah. Needed something I could trust. Since put 25,000 miles on it. Love it.